ハリバットでかい。慎重にね、慎重にね。でかいな。あ、いいよいいよ、ドラグ出して。ドラグ出して。でかいでかい。キーパーあるかも。キーパーあるよ。ゆっくりゆっくりゆっくりゆっくり。危ない、危ないな。危ない危ない危ない。ごめん、ゆっくり回してゆっくり。当てんな当てんな。あ、入んない。あ、入んない。でかすぎる。入ったー。でかい。これはでかい。Hello, this is Angrawaki based in California. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my YouTube channel. I'll introduce how to fish in the Japanese way using popular techniques in Japan and Japanese fishing gear. This video is my first catch and keep video. I went out fishing with my son on his spring break. It was a tough day.No bites at all for the first 3 hours. I was fine, but it's getting boring for 14 years old boy. But he somehow managed his concentration and he got it. He caught his first California halibut and it was huge. 25.5 inches, legal size halibut.Oh my god! Oh my gosh! It's bigger than my record! Well done! Well done! I asked him, do you want to keep it? The answer was, yes, I want to cook! Oh yeah, so we kept it, cleaned it up, cooked it, and tasted it.It was fun, but it was quite a bit of work. I do respect the people practicing catch and cook. Just a catch and edit a video has already been back-breaking work for me. Plus, clean and cook. Phew! I need a pint of beer. In this video, I'll show you.How to cook in the Japanese way. How we Japanese catch and cook fish. I will show you 10 hirame dishes. Hirame means California halibut in Japanese. Hirame sashimi. Kamayaki, grilled pearl. Fried halibut. Engawa gunkan maki sushi. Munyeo.漬け丼、昆布締め、カルパッチョ、fish and chips and fried fish sandwiches. All dishes were super duper yummy! Let's check it out! Okay, the first mission Queen the Fish accomplished. Let's start cooking. The first one is Sashimi California Halibut, Hirame no sashimi. We Japanese love sashimi. Simple, but the best way to taste the fresh seafood. The second dish is a grilled color. In Japanese, kamayaki. It tastes very good. The dish number 3, fried halibut. Simple and easy, but the taste is promising. The fourth plate is Engawa Gunkan Maki Sushi. This is sushi using the meat along the side fins. That part of flounder's meat is called engawa in Japanese. The texture is different from the main body meat. It's yummy. If you have a chance, let's order engawa at the sushi bar. The next dish is muñeol, sauté with flour and butter. Topping parsley. The dish number 6 is Zuke Donburi. It looks like poke, but poke is a Hawaiian dish. In Japan, these kind of rice bowls are called donburi. Zuke means marinated meat with soy sauce-based sauce. This is zuke donburi. The next menu is kobushime. Kobu is a Japanese kelp. Wrapping the fish meat with the kelp, leaving it overnight in the fridge. Then, the tasty essence from kelp makes the fish more delicious. This is kind of the art of Japanese cooking. Okay, what's next? Oh yeah, carpaccio, the Italian dish. Making hirame carpaccio is very common in Japan. Phew! 2 plates to go. The next dish is fish and chips, the British tradition. The last one is a fried fish sandwiches. This is perfect for lunch. Very tasty. Okay, catch, keep, cook and taste. It was a great event for kids' spring break. 10 dishes. It took 3 days to consume all of them. But everything tasted excellent. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share on the SNS. Leave your comment. Give me a big thumbs up. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. More and more fishing videos are coming. Fish in the Japanese way. See you. Everybody stay safe. Thank you. ありがとう。バイバイ。